Hello guys, welcome to the episode number 6 of technical structure. So we have already completed the tables, and these are the 5 tables we are very successfully able to create now. And for these 5 tables we are now going to start with our forms. Okay, so to create the form we need a menu structure. If you go to if I log into this particular environment, I will be able to see. So whenever a new module is created, you have your workspace, you have your master table, then you have your transaction table, then your reports, and then your setup. Okay, so this is a common structure of the menu in D365 finance and operations. Okay, so it is getting open. Meanwhile, I will tell you what we are going to start today. So we are going to prepare the menu structure for us now. So in the menu structure, there is a particular user interface that we are going to create. Okay, so this is the accounts payable module. Under the accounts payable module, as I told you, we have the master data, then we have the transaction data, then we have the inquiries and reports, and then we have the setup. Okay, so this structure actually is created. Okay, so we are going to create the workspace, the form level and the setup level all. Okay, so right now we are going to create a menu structure. So for the menu structure, you will go to the your project. You can open the project, and then how to open the project, how to create the models, or how to create the tables. If you have not seen till yet, you can go ahead and you can check it this in your in the earlier videos. Okay, starting from the episode number 1. Okay, so now I will go to the new item, and for this new item I am going to create the user interface. Select the user interface and then the menu. Okay, so one menu we are going to prepare. So let's go to menu. Over here you will have your Dynamics 365 finance and operations. You have your user interface. Inside the user interface you have your menu. So the menu name will be, so this is the menu name. We will control V and then we will click on the OK button. Once we click on the OK, this menu will be created. After this, in the designer, create a label for the vehicle management and enter the menu's label property. Okay, so what it is showing that, okay, let's create the label for it, vehicle management. Okay, so normally you need to create this label under the label file over here. Okay, so and then create the label. Okay, so we will save the time over here and we will go for the menus label property. Okay, so this is now done. Right click on the new menu designer and click on the choose the new and the sub menu. So this will have sub menu, so we will prepare the new, and then there is a sub menu option. Okay, so sub menu is now created. So add the following labels for the sub menu. So these are the sub menus we are going to prepare for um, our project. Okay, so this the name will be workspaces, and then we are going to prepare one more new sub menu. This will be vehicles, that's master table, and over here we will again give it the name and the label, and then we are going to prepare our service orders. Over here we will create the new menu, sub menu, total control V, service orders, give it the service orders, keep the space in between, and then one more will be there. The sub menu will be periodic task, which is for reporting, the periodic tasks, any batches, new sub menu, give it the control V, periodic tasks, and then we are going to prepare one more sub menu, and the name will be inquiries and reports. Okay, so we have a label in the standard application, so that I will add control A, control V. Instead of this label there is a standard sys, so this I will take from here, control A, and over here we will go for the control V, and here we go. So this is now done. For this also I will add one periodic task. Instead of the periodic task label menu, I will give the label code. Okay, now this is done. Okay, so this sub menu is extra. We will take the setup one and we will give it the setup as setup, and for the setup we have this one. Okay. Then let's go for the control V. Now this is done. Okay, so this, I don't want any sub menu over here within this. No. Okay, so now we have all these 6 menus available. 6 menus we have to prepare. We can add more sub menus to help the structures. They should be required. Let's save and close the menu designer. Okay, so let's close, save it, and then after that we will go to the menu structure. Now we need to extend the main menu so that we can navigate to our menu in the application explorer. We will go to the AOT user interface and then menus, and we will go to the extension. So AOT, then we will go for the user interface, menus, and in the menus we will go for the AOT user interface. Click on the main menu and choose create an extension. Main menu, where is the main menu? This is the main menu, and we will go for the create the extension of the main menu. Okay, so one extension is being created and this extension is required. Rename the main menu to the rename the new item in our project from main menu.con vehicle management to con vms vehicle management. Okay, let's rename it to con vms main menu, con vms fleet management. We will go ahead and we will rename it to con vms vehicle management. Con vms vehicle management, this is done. And now open the con vms vehicle management. Now we need to give the menu reference. Double click on it, and over here this is the main menu. Okay, so this is actually the menu item which we are seeing once we log into the modules level. Okay, so this I am talking about. Okay, so this is the main menu. This comes under the main menu. We have to prepare extension of it, and under this extension we have to link our menu what we have prepared. Okay, so main menu, new menu, I think it is menu reference. Okay, so we will go for the menu and we will go for the menu reference. So with this menu reference we need to name the set the name into the properties. So set the name and the menu name. Okay, name is con vms and the menu name is con vms vehicle management, which is the same. Okay, let's find out if it is there or not. Over here we will search it and it is there, so we will finally save it. Once we save it, then you can save and close the designer and go for the build option. Okay, so let's go for the build. If the build is prepared, I will show you from here only one particular vehicle management will be added in our menu. If not, we will see it in the later section. Okay, so let's wait for 2 more minutes. If it is not happening right now, then we will check in the next session. Okay, just wait. Application full build is completed. We will go to our system. We will refresh our system. Let's wait for duplicate the tab. After the build, it normally gets low. Okay, all the syncing is going to be happen, so that's why just wait till it let's open. Hmm, wait for some more time, it should. Okay, so oh, this is not the one. Just a minute. Let me copy paste it and let me check if there is any other browser where I can show you this thing. So if there is Chrome available, it is taking time. Let me close my browser and let me refresh it once. Let me run this open table browser. What happened to it? Let's check the services if the services are running properly. Okay, so now it is getting open. Let's wait for some time. Yeah, so now it is open. I will just continue with this one and I will run it again. Okay, so now I can show you that over here there is a there is menu extension. Vehicle management should be there, PQST, UV, vendor collaboration is there, but that is not coming. Let's see what happens to it. This is the con VMS vehicle management. Okay, so I think in the next sessions we are going to refer this con vehicle management. Okay, and the name is there, label is vehicle management. It should be there, but okay, no problem. We will see in the next sessions. This particular menu item will be visible to you over here in the coming sessions. Okay, as we are proceeding with the forms level. Okay, so then we will see, no problem in it. Let's just close this session for now and we will meet in the next episode and we will see the menu items. Okay, and from in the at the front end level. Thank you.